Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess what came today? Early too. My August Boxy Charm box. So I was really surprised. I actually was like, I hope it comes this week. And so yeah, it's a surprise for sure, because usually it will come on the 16th, 17th, 18th. Then I'll do a video and then I'll have to edit it, and I don't get it edited till the end of the month. So I'm really happy, and it's actually quite heavy. And so yeah, so I thought, well, I'll open it up and check out the stuff. How have you guys been? It's really hot here in Southern Ontario, so I've just been sweating, but it's just how it is. Anyway, let's open this up. There we go. Okay, so this month, put this right here. It is called Go All Out. Remember how I told you that has the themes? And again, on the back are the things that are in this box here, the peek. And I'm gonna read some of them actually, because maybe you guys want to know what they do and stuff instead of me guessing all the time. The first thing I see here is this crinkly thing. I like that sound. It's Dead Sea Minerals and Caviar Makeup Remover Wipes. So let's read a little bit about it here. Let me get my glasses on. My glasses match what I'm wearing. Awesome. Okay, so Dead Sea Minerals Makeup Remover Wipes. Cleanses the face, clears away all traces of dirt, makeup, oil, blah blah blah, impurities. Sea minerals to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Feeling fresh and rejuvenated. One step. $12. So yeah, I'm going to try this because I needed some makeup remover wipes. I do also have, I told you guys before, these little cloth wipes. I just put soap and water on them and then do that. But for going away and stuff, I like these. So I'm going to try those soon. The next thing I see here is Iconic. This is a bronzing powder. I think this is from, put my glasses on. Actually, let's just read it. Iconic, London. Okay, the ultimate bronzing powder is perfect for creating an all-over sun-kissed warmth or to define and sculpt the face. $35. Let me open it here. I like the packaging. Like, I like that color here. Oh, shiny. I like shiny things. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's see how hard or easy is it. Oh, easy. Okay, nice. There's a little thing here at the top. I'm going to off. So we'll, oh, that's really nice. Look, the lines and stuff. Can you smell? Doesn't smell like chocolate at all. You know how some things I've had in the past smell like chocolate, but it's really nice with a nice big mirror here. So I'll be using that. I'll put this back in here for now though. I don't like things getting wrecked or bent or anything like that. Like, I'm really that's the way I am. Okay, the next thing is this here. I can't even read it without my glasses. Kate Somerville. Exfoliate. So instead of exfoliate, it's exfoliate glow. Moisturizer. Okay. Oh, has a little winky face at the top. Here's the container. Okay, it just smells like face cream. Can't look at anything. Let's see what's in it. What it does. I've been getting a lot of face stuff and skincare stuff in these kind of boxes, so let's see here. Okay, revive dull, dry, lackluster looking skin with this moisturizer. Ingredients remove dead surface skin cells while smoothing fine lines and wrinkles to reveal younger looking skin. $70. $70 for this? Okay, well, I probably need some rejuvenation of skin, especially in my lip area. My lips are getting better, guys, finally. It's been like 5 weeks. So, I also haven't been doing a video because of those lips specifically, because it just looks dry and then it keeps on trying to heal. So, the next thing we have is, it's very heavy. This right here. Wow. The heat's affecting me. Clean Skin Club. Pineapple Glow Mist. Pineapple Glow Mist. Let's see. Oh, nice. Kind of has that, I like that ombre look kind of thing. So, hyaluronate, how come I can't pronounce that? Peptides, antioxidant, and hyaluronic acid. Pineapple Glow Mist. Clean Skin. Okay, let's read this here. This is $38. This mist is formulated with pineapple enzymes, peptides, antioxidants, and the acid that I can't say, to give dull, tired skin a healthy glow. Okay. Probably I could use some around here. And maybe, I don't know. But I like trying stuff, so we're going to try that. Quite heavy though. Very heavy. 100 milliliters, so yeah. I like that bottle. I like how things look. It looks so cool. So we'll try that. Next thing is this. Give Them Lala Beauty. It's the last thing in here. So let's open this. Okay. It says the Grown Woman palette. What does that mean? Okay, Give Them Lala Beauty. Let's open this up. Okay, so it has a big mirror here, and I'm guessing eyeshadow for your eyes. Got some deep, well, that's nice, that right there. The orangey thing. Let's see what the names are. Oh, okay. This one's called Boss Lady. Okay. The next one's called The Wife. This one's called Stepmom. This one's Say Yes. This one is called Cabo Kisses. That one right there. This is Princess of Bel Air. This is Bridal Party. The Ring. And I Do. Isn't that interesting? I like it. Has a nice big mirror here. Okay. So let's see what it says here. Let me put this back in. I don't like stuff getting messed up. Okay, so it says Give Them Lala Beauty Grown Woman palette. It's a gorgeous eye palette full of earthy, sunset colored mattes and foiled shadows. 9 highly pigmented and shadows that feel buttery, soft and silky to the touch. Gotta feel that right now. Okay, let's try this Boss Lady. Ooh, it does feel silky to the touch. I can't really see on, yeah, sort of. Okay, let's try this Cabo Kisses thing. It does feel soft and silky. How about one more, The Ring? My hands are clean. I wash them every time before I do my videos. So. Oh, look. So you could do like a sunset kind of thing on your eye. And I've seen people do this lately. They take a brush and they do one line like right here, and then another line here, up and down, and right here, just like this. And then they'll blend them together. Let me find a hand that doesn't have stuff on. Then they'll blend them together. And then it's kind of blended for you. It's a quick step. So I don't know, maybe I should try that with this palette sometime. Don't have time now, but now I have stuff all over me. So that's how it is. I have stuff all over my hands, but it's fun. Okay, so let's see, how much was this palette? Did I say? $35. So that's $35. This glow mist thing was $38. I don't know if I told you that. So yeah, for $25 a month, just to get these things. My subscription, I can't talk today, guys. It is hot. It is hot. But my subscription ends next month. Like, I'll get one more box next month, and then if I want to renew it, I can. But I'm not sure if I will, because I mean, I've gotten a lot of stuff and I haven't even used some of the stuff because, well, part of it's summer and part of it's because I haven't had time. But I have a lot to do in the fall then, won't I? Lots of videos coming. So here's the BoxyCharm stuff. This month, let me put it up. And I put the makeup stuff down there, like the eyeshadow stuff. So yeah, go all out. So I guess they went all out. I'm actually happy with, for the most part, with everything that I've gotten in these boxes. There's a few boxes in the middle there that had some things that I don't know if I use, and I gave one away to somebody else. Like I gave something away to someone that I didn't want to use. So yeah, I don't know if I'll keep doing it, but I've wanted to try it, so I'm happy that I did, and it's almost over, so I might just let it run out. And because I mean, you can only have so much makeup and skincare products and things for your face, right? Like, I don't know. I don't want to just keep gathering stuff and not using it, so I want to use my stuff first, and then we'll see what else we can do. But I think I have enough now that keep me busy for a little while. So anyway, just wondering how you guys were and are, and if it's hot where you are, or is it fall where you are. It's still summer here, in mid-August here, and I think it still gets a little bit warm in September too, but it's been rainy here, lots of thunderstorms where I live in the last 2 weeks, and so I haven't been able to sleep well because I'll wake up from the thunder and the lightning, and my dog's, you know, scared, and she's scared of thunder. She'll just shake and shake and shake. It's so sad. I have to hold her and put her in my bed. But anyway, yeah, the life. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing well, and leave a comment below, please, and tell me what you want to see. I will be doing more eyeshadows and doing my makeup. Again, I'm just so busy and going on holidays and having people over and barbecues and things like that. So I hope you've been able to get out and see people now again. Yeah, just keep keeping on. Someone told me so when I was little. So yeah, thanks for watching this BoxyCharm opening video, and I'll have one more coming up in September. If you can like and subscribe to this channel, and yeah, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.